This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jacqueline May. A rare find. Only one available in Avion Park, near Naples Airport, Marina, and YMC. Plus, this waterfront property offers the best of living in the heart of Naples in an old Florida intimate waterfront community. It is well maintained and a perfect sanctuary for the buyer who is looking for a home that needs no work. The 12 by 60 sturdy built boat dock with lift accommodates a nice size boat. The thatched roof shaki completes the picture, access to the Gulf to fish, birdwatch, jet ski, or just cruise and enjoy the sunsets. Residents of Avion Park enjoy one half-priced membership to Walker's Hideaway Marina, just a short walk from the house with access to amenities such as pool, spa, dining and fitness. Short bike ride to Greenway access to enjoy the fine ecological views. For more information, review the details below or contact Jacqueline May at 239-450-0776.